Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VI, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, there is one very simple way you can do it, which just to kind of showcase this, for me it gives me a pop-up right here that there's an issue with my SD card. That's because it is NTFS. Now this doesn't really matter, but what I'm referring to is when you insert your SIM card, you'll get a pop-up similar to this one, though it's just gonna say set up your SD card, and you can click on that and it will allow you to format it. Alternatively, you can navigate into these settings and storage. Then in the drop-down menu, you want to select your SD card, and disregard this. Obviously, if your card is already in FAT format, then you won't have this pop-up. For me, it's not, so it's giving me it's trying to force me to format it. I don't actually want to format it, just want to clarify this. So I'm just gonna kind of show you, once you select your SD card from the drop-down menu, you will actually have more options visible in here. And one of those will be a 3-dot option right here, which I guess it's not even visible right here. So you will have about 3-dot option visible right here, and you can select format from here. And obviously the process is automatic, so once you confirm that, it just goes through it and then brings you back in here with your SD card formatted. Like I mentioned, mine is in a different format, so it doesn't really give me this option. And additionally, I don't want to format it because I keep backup of data on there. But hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.